In this video, I will be showing you how to create your own template using Cricut Design Space. So I would just come over here and grab a shape. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna click on shapes and I'm gonna click on a square. So Cricut got this new feature now to where, I don't know, but I just clicked on it. But I do want to change my canvas color because the color shirt I'll be using is burgundy. So I'm going to go down to where it say background color. And I'm going to click on that box. And I'm going to click on this burgundy looking color to change my background. All right. So I'm going to create, so I'm going to take this square and I'm going to size it. I'm going to size it at 10 point. Maybe that's too big. Maybe not. I'm going to size it at 9.9 in width and 5.15 in height. I'm going to click on the square. And then I'm going to go over to like this little pen right here. I want to go down to make an offset. So I'm going to go down where it say effects and click on offset. I want to do a sharp corner. And I'm going to make my offset like the size. Let's do 0.097. And I'm going to hit apply. Now I'm going to change the offset color to like white so we can see what's going on here. Now while the offset is over this rectangle, I'm going to drag my mouse against both of them. And I will go down to where it says slice. I will slice it. I will take this down. I'm just going to move it down. I'm going to take this white. I'm going to make that white color blue just for video purpose. So I'm going to take the blue and I'm going to unlock the portion. And I'm just going to make it a little smaller. I'm going to do the same thing to the rectangle right here. Make it smaller. So now what I would do is I'm going to take this black one. I'm going to size it up against this one. This rectangle in the back, one with the hole. And I'm going to click on the rectangle in the back. I'm going to hold the shift key. And I'm going to click on the black rectangular. And then I'm going to hit align. And then I'm going to go down to center. From there, I will go down and hit slice. Now let's go back. Let's go back. I don't think that's big enough. We're going to remove that out the way real quick. I'm going to move that out the way. But let me stretch this to how big I want it. Just stretch it out to how big you would like it. I'm going to drag my mouse against the photo. Well, I'm going to click on the black one. I'm going to click on the white one. I'm going to align to the center. And then I'm going to hit, let me slice there. That should be big enough. Hit slice. Okay, I'm going to remove this. Delete it. I don't need it. Click on the black. Delete. Click on the white one and also delete it. Boom. That's what I want. Then what I would do, I would take this white one, this blue one, just turn it, well, stretch it out to your liking. Stretch it to how you would like it. And I'm going to bring it to the front so I can see what's going on. Okay. And I'm just going to stretch it. And I want to like down here. So I'm going to highlight it both. And I'm going to hit align. And I'm also do center. And then I will go down and hit slice. So I remove that, delete it because I don't need it no more. I'm going to delete this. I don't need it no more. And I'm going to delete this. And it's going to leave me with this. This is what I'm looking for. This is the template I'm going for. So now I will go over here and grab a text. I'm going to type in the word the. And I'm going to place it right here. I want it right here in the center, you could say. Right in the center. And I'm going to make sure that's in the center. So I'm just going to highlight both. He aligned to the center. Oh, no, that ain't it. Maybe it's center horizontal. Align both. Click on it. Align center horizontal. All right, that's what I would like. And then I'm going to grab another text and I'm going to write the word cousin. Text the word cousin. So it's going to be like the cousin templates everyone was doing. I just love this template because once I found out how to do it, I was like, that's how you do it. And we going to do like this. Now, I will change the font. Right now, we at Cricut Sans. I don't like that. So you're going to go up here and you're just going to change the font. I like to do something bold. I don't like that font. Let's see what this one look like. Oh, what's this one look like? I do the personal. What is that? Aura? I don't know, but this one right here. So then I'm going to change this one also to the same thing. Okay. So I'm going to click on the, and I'm going to hold the shift key, and I'm going to click on cousin, and then I'm going to hit align, and I'm going to make sure it says center horizontal, which is we good. Okay. Now, this is actually your template right here. Because you know how you do those cousin shirts, you need that template. So how about we just select everything and just hit attach. We're just going to attach everything together. Now, I will go over here and hit duplicate. And I will hide one, but I'll work with this one. So I'm going to grab another text. In my middle text, I'm going to write the words. The healing and hood. So I'm going to do the healing and hood cousin. And I'm going to do the white. So all you do is just take this word right here, and we just going to stretch it out. Cricut got this little new little way of doing things. So I want this to go down, but not like that down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the healing and hood. Go right here up to this little pen, pencil, whatever they want to call it. I'm going to unlock the portion. And let me see if I can drag it down like this. Okay, it works like that. I'm just going to drag this down to like right here. So I'm going to select all again, and I'm going to hit align, and I'm going to make sure that's in the center too. I'm going to do center horizontal, and boom, hit. Should I just attach it? Let's attach it. And so I have my width at 10.11, and my height is at 618. My area code. I don't know how I did that, but I did that. So now let's go and make it. So let's go to make. I'm going to save my project as cousin. And let's hit save. I'll be using Caesar Heat Transfer Vinyl HTV. Dun, 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 dun. So right here it say mirror size, material size. I said mirror size. Material size, I'm using my 12 by 12 matte. And then right here, when you're using heat transfer vinyl, you always want to mirror your image. So I'm just going to click mirror. And then I'm just gonna move this down because I don't like my I don't like it touching like the red or whatever. So I'm just gonna move it down. And then I'm gonna hit continue. I'm gonna make sure my Cricut machine is turned on. Just turn the machine on. And I will click on the one that say iron on, everyday iron on. So I will click that one. That's my base material. And right here, you see this little caution sign? It say make sure mirror is turned on and iron on material is face shiny side down. This is the vinyl that I'll be using. As you can see, this is shiny side. So per instructions, you need shiny side down. So I'm going to take the shiny side and I'm going to place it down on the mat. I'll be using some tape just to secure the ends. I will then place my mat inside of the Cricut machine. I will remove the vinyl off the mat, and I just tape my tape and just tape it, like place it right here. And now I need to weed. So how to weed? You take your weeding tool, and you just place it like on the edge, and then you just pull back. And this is the vinyl weeded out. Now let's press it. All right, so this is the Bella Canvas shirt. So you take your shirt, and you're gonna fold it in half. And then you're just gonna place it under your heat press. And I would just press it for like 10 seconds. I'm using a 15 by 15 heat press. All right, so the creases should be in there. Let's take it and look. All right, my crease is inside the shirt. Now I'm going to take my shirt, lay it on the press. But don't forget this step. You need a lint roller. Take your lint roller and just slide and glide it across that shirt because you want it to be clean. I did purchase some t-shirt rulers from Amazon. Baby, this bad boy been through some things, but it still works. I'm going to place this in the center where the line is. I'm going to take my vinyl. This is how I get the crease. I will fold it in half. Put like a little crease right there. And then I will place it down. Now I have my heat press set at 330, but I'm going to do it for like 20 seconds at the most. I do a light press first. Now we'll peel it up. Some can be like a hot peel. Some can be a cool peel. It's a hot peel. Just take your time when you peeling it. And then I'm going to do another press for like 10 seconds. And there you have it.